this week's vlog. If you're new to the channel, we are Hook Home, a brand new sustainable flatback furniture company. We do new videos every Sunday morning documenting the growth of our new company. We cover all sorts of topics from design to fabrication, CNC work, and even the business aspects of our company. If this is your first video, definitely go back to some of our earlier vlogs. We've been documenting for the last month or two now. We've just moved into this brand new 10,000 square foot warehouse, and we're in the middle of fulfilling all our Kickstarter orders. To take you a little bit through the workflow from what happens when we cut the HDP on the CNC and then what we do next for assembly. So we'll take the pieces over to this side of the shop. When the pieces come off the CNC, if the bit isn't as sharp as we'd like it to be, you get a little burr on the edge of the plastic. Now, this doesn't happen all the time, but when it does, we just kind of want to clean that up before we assemble them. So once we have the pieces here, we'll take them over to this station where we'll use the back of a blade or a knife just to kind of tear off the burrs and clean them up. So once that's done, we'll stack them up here and then we'll take them over to the assembly station. So this station here we have topped with foam and felt, because when we're assembling the finished pieces on here, we obviously have the top surfaces of the desks or whatever piece of furniture we're assembling on this, and we don't want to scratch it. So we've covered the whole top with this soft material, so we know that it's going to be all right. And on the assembly station, we just kind of gather all the pieces and we have them laid out, so it makes assembly a little easier. I also wanted to share a little design update that we've come up with recently, which will be featured in all the Kickstarter orders. When we put the leg in the chassis, we have it clip in such a way that it's not going to pop out very easily when shipping, but we weren't able to, we found like people having difficulty kind of getting the legs out. So we have CNC'd in this little finger pull right here, so you can just put your two hands here and then you're able to lift it out. So that's a cool little feature that's going to be in all of the orders. I'll just show you guys real briefly how we do this little finger pull on the inside of the joint of the leg. So how we do that is we have this 1/2" ball nose bit, which is an awesome little tool. We have that attached to the router under the table. We've set up this little jig which allows us to place the leg over and then push it up against this surface here and then push forward and back and then take it out, and then that gives you that little finger pull area inside the leg.
Hi everybody, I'm Sebastian. I'm one of the designers here at Hoek. Finally, we are shipping out our Kickstarter orders, and I wanted to show you how we receive the packing material. So this is honeycomb to fill out the boxes. We received everything in pallets, and this is the cardboard to make the actual boxes. We are cutting custom boxes on the CNC, and let me show you that right over there. Cut the custom boxes on the CNC, we use this tool. It's called a drag knife, and what it does is that the CNC just follows the lines that we designed so that the box gets cut. And normally this should turn with the spindle like a router, but for this specific tool we turn it off so no accidents happen. after CNCing, we bring the pieces here with the assembly line for the packaging material. This box, you can see, is designed for a round coffee table, and we use the honeycomb cardboard to protect the edges, and the top is here, but this is the box for the desk. You can see we are trying to protect as much as possible for the furniture, so once it arrives at your place, it doesn't come damaged. So yeah, a lot of boxes to go.
Alright, that's it for this week, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit that like button if you liked the video. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section down below. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Remember to share this video with your friends and family or anyone you think might be interested in this type of content. Alright, see you next week.